Hi everyone, so I'm posting this makeup tutorial and starting with wearing colored lenses from Swati Verma, and the shade is Jade. And then after cleansing my face with Aroma Magic face wash, I am now applying its gel based moisturizer, which is really good for acne skin and oily skin, and massage it like nicely all over your face, even at your neck. After doing that, I'm applying sunscreen from Makeup Forever. It's kind of a primer. And now starting off with my brows, taking an angular brush and my favorite palette, Chocolate Bar. So as you can see, I'm just filling up my brows using this powder. And you can also fill up according to your choice. Some people love thick, some people love thin, some people love light eyebrows. So it depends all on your choice. And then I'm using this Tarte concealer all over my eyelid. It's all up to you if you want to. If you don't want to, you can also skip this step. And blending it with a blender. Now taking this brush from Glasm Cosmetics and using this eye palette from LA Cosmetics. It's a nice bronze palette and it's affordable, not that expensive. Pigment is also nice, and just blending and blending. As you know, blending is really important. So I'm just adding up this color again and again, taking a little more darker color, kind of a coffee shade, and then adding that color on my outer corner, and then using this shimmer color with my finger and applying inside area of my eyes and giving it a finishing look with a brush. And now applying highlighter on my brow bone area just to lift my eyebrows. Now using a gel liner for creating a liner, and finishing I'll do later on with a wet liner. And I'm concealing my under eyes using Tarte Tape Concealer in shade medium, and applying wherever I feel like, concealing on my acne and wherever I feel pigmentation, near my mouth, forehead. And I'm going to blend this with a small mini blender, and you have to wet your blender so that your blending goes really nice, and make sure it's nicely absorbed before applying foundation. And the foundation is in shade 2.5 from Innisfree, and you should give good 5 minutes for your foundation. Keep on blending and blending so that it doesn't look cakey at all. It should look like your skin. So I do that. And after that, I will do baking with loose powder in shade blonde using Huda Beauty. Oh, I'm eating a kiwi in between. It's good for your skin. Yeah, so here comes the loose powder. Too much on my under eyes because it's required, and on this area, all over my face also. Till then, I'm doing my contouring from again using Huda Beauty's contour and blending it in between. I've also changed quickly, and I'm completing my eyes using the same palette, doing mascara. And now I think I have to shed off all the loose powder. We've given good 20 minutes for baking because in between I changed and everything. And now I'm applying my blusher from Milani Cosmetics. My blusher is almost broken due to traveling, but it's okay. I have to use it. I just can't throw it. And now before applying highlighter, I have just sprayed again mist from Aroma Magic, and I'm applying Ofra highlighter. So depends how much highlighter you want on your face. Sometimes you want less, sometimes you want too much. Totally depends on you. So you can also apply with your finger for more finishing and blended look. And I'm almost done with my look. Applying again lipper from Milani Cosmetics number 11 Precious. It's a matte lipper, very long lasting. And here is my final look. Hope you guys love this cute quick tutorial. Pink kind of a makeup. Bebodiyan galla. Pink. Don't forget to like, comment. Mwah.